tutorial. So today I'm making this video to answer a few questions that was asked. The first question is how to set the height of a wall. The second one is what is elevation, and the last question is how to use offset. So I'm going to start with how to set the height of a wall. So let's say once you open up your Revit, let's say you're working on a model, so you want to set a certain height of this wall. You select this wall. Once you select it, you can see the height of it under unconnected height. So it's showing us we have 3.6, which is 3 meters and 6 hundredths. So if you want to change this to 4 meters, for example, you're gonna click on you select the wall face, and then you change it to 4,000. So now this wall is up to 4,000. You can see that from a 3D dimension or elevation. So this is the wall that we have just changed now. As you can see, it's no longer in the same level with the selected wall. So to bring this one back to 3.6, you select it and you type 3.6. Now it's on the same level. Oh, another way to do it is you select one of these two walls. You use a line tool. Then you select the wall that is 3.6. Then you select the second one. It will come at the same level. So now I think yeah, I'll try to answer the first question. So let's move on to the second question. What is elevation? So elevation or house elevation is the exterior design of the house. It helps you to see how your home looks from the 4 angles, which is front elevation, side elevation, back elevation, and rear elevation, in 2D and 3D view, depending on your requirement. So let's say this is our house, so I want to see this house in different view of elevation. So I'm going to open up one of these elevations. Okay, let me go back to the plan. Once we have a plan like this, let's say my main entrance is where we got this double doors. So this will be my front elevation, and this will be my back elevation, and these two will be my side elevation. So if you put or you place a north sign, if you know the north sign of your plans, so you can name it according to the north signs. So if my north sign is turning up, so I'll be having north elevation, south elevation, and east elevation and west elevation. So right now we have east elevation, north elevation, south elevation, and west elevation. So let me open up east elevation. So this will be my east elevation, and this is my north elevation. This is my south elevation and west elevation. So in other words, what I was explaining about the front elevation and back elevation. So here our north elevation will be the front elevation. The south elevation will be the back elevation, and west and east elevation, that will be our side elevation. So the next question is, now how do I set this elevation? This is called elevation line. Elevation line it means from your ground floor to the next level, you set up a limit of the height of your wall, what you need your elevation to be exactly on your wall, how or what is the height of your wall. So let's say I've selected this level, elevation level. As you can see, it's on 3.6, which is 3.6 meters. So if you change this value to 4,000, which is 4 meters, let's change it and see what will happen. Now we have changed our elevation line to elevation level, but that did not change our wall. So the height of the wall is still on 3.6, meaning if you want to change this also to 4,000, you're gonna have to click on one of these walls and you change it from here to 4 meters. Now we have a wall of 4 meters. If you check this on 3D, you will have to repeat the same process. You click on this one, you click on the next one, you click on the next one, or you click on tab to select everything. Now since you select everything, you can now change it unconnected height. You can put the value 4,000. You select the interior walls as well, or you select the window, select the interior wall, the next one, and as you can see, from unconnected height is still on 3.6, so I'm going to make it 4,000. Now we have our house from ground floor to the next level, which is first floor level. It's now 4,000. Yes, and the last question is how to use offset. So let me double click on ground floor. Now to use offset, tools in Revit, select the element you want to offset. For example, I'm going to select this wall, then click Modify tab. I have selected this one, then click on modify tab, modify panel, and select the offset. You can then specify the offset distance either by dragging the selected element or by entering a numerical value. So here we have selected the wall. Click on edit tab. Now to select the wall face, you go to offset, you click on offset. With offset you can copy or move a selected element such as line, wall, or beam a specified distance perpendicular to each line. You can offset a single element or a chain of elements belonging to the same family. So if I click on this offset, under the graphical, numerical, and offset, so we are going to use this offset. We see it 1.3 meters. You can change the value of these numbers. Let's say if I put 2 meters with 2000, then you put your mouse on a wall or element that you want to offset. So if I want to offset this wall, you click on it. It's going to give us 2000. 2 meters. It did the offset to 2 meters. Another 2 meters. If I want to offset the same this side, you click on it. Okay, now we have this side. Our wall is extended to 2 meters. Do the same according to what you need. If you want to offset the interior wall, you click on the interior wall. It gives you the 2 meter distance. Now depending on what you need. So right now we don't need this inside here. You click on modify, then click on the wall that you want to delete, then delete it. Select this one, delete it as well, and we don't need this one as well. We're going to delete. So yeah, I think I've also tried to answer the last question, and thank you. See you on my next video.